Snipers HQ, where we calibrate the soul. Snipers HQ, where we calibrate the soul. Master the emotion, then we tally back the goal. Confluence rising, look at how the level stack. Sniper discipline, never looking back. Snipers HQ, stay focused.
What's good, snipers? Your boy App, and I'm about to hit y'all with a video. Let me share my screen with y'all. We're gonna get straight into it. Pull up my earnings economic calendar. Well, my snipers earnings economic calendar, right? So let's go. Let's get into it. And if you don't know, man, super dope. Our Discord, we got Snipers Marketplace in here, Facebook Marketplace. We got our own execution channels. Then we got, we gotta have God first. We got our spirit channel, a ton of education, tools, resources. You got your losses and your lessons. You won't see that. We got wins and wisdom, trading psychology. We got our journaling spot. We got our King's Corner. We definitely got our Queen's Corner because we like this. You don't see that too much in any Discord. They don't let women have a voice. But to teach a man is to teach individual, and to teach a woman is to teach a nation, right? So then we got our merch, ideas, any questions you want to ask, we keep there. So if anybody else had that question, they can go through there. And then our bots right here, super fire patterns, charts, but won't be open for a few weeks to probably a month, two. We don't know yet, but just stay in tune with us on YouTube, and we'll eventually open it back up so you can come join us. But let's get into the earnings economic calendar, right? So Monday after close, we got Palantir earnings. So I'm gonna just tell you what the key events is for this week. We got labor market focus. So JOLTS on Tuesday, very important. ADP Wednesday, and the NFP on Friday. This will dictate the market's direction and rate cut expectations. Then we got Fed commentary, heavy week for Fed speakers after last week's FOMC decision. We got earnings volatility, high impact reports from Palantir, AMD, and Disney. This will drive the sector's specific price action. And then we got the consumer health, ISM services, and Michigan sentiment data. This will show if the economy is cooling or staying hot. So yeah, we do got earnings. After close, we got AMD, PayPal, PFE, and Shop earnings on Tuesday after close. And then we got Disney, Uber, and ARM earnings on Wednesday. And yeah, a whole bunch of feds are speaking. Calm trading and smart positioning, that is the model. So then we go, let's talk about your president. Talk about Trump. So for the good of Iran, this is what he said: for the good of Iran, the Middle East, and United States, we have told these countries that we will guide their ships safely out of these restricted waterways so that they can freely and ably get on with their business. We will use best efforts to get their ships and crews safely out of the strait. This process, Project Freedom, will begin Monday rising, Middle East time. My representatives are having very positive discussions with the country of Iran, and that these discussions could lead to something very positive for all. The ship movement is merely meant to free up people, companies, and countries. But here's what you didn't say, Trump. We will use best efforts to get their ships and crews safely out of the strait. The market doesn't like uncertainty. How are you going to do this? How are you going to get these up? Like with Navy, like with carrier, how are you going to do this? So then we come here, the direct response to Trump's new U.S. Navy operation. Iran's National Security Commission Chairman Azizi says any U.S. interference with the Strait of Hormuz will be considered a violation of the ceasefire, dismissing Trump's Project Freedom announcement as a delusional post and rejecting any blame shifting scenarios per Tasnim. The blame shifting Azizi rejected. refers to Trump's framing of Project Freedom as a humanitarian and freedom of navigation operation, which lets him argue Iran blocking the mission could be the war-initiating act, allowing him to authorize U.S. strikes on Iran without congressional approval. This works around his 60-day war authorization, which expired May 1st. And you see what's going on? Iran, they on it though. They are not falling for that. So far, if you like what you're hearing, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Oh, well, I'm waiting for you to hit the like and subscribe button. You didn't press it yet. All right, bet. So now that you hit the like button, you still didn't? You did? All right, bet. All right, so now that you hit the like button, snipers. As of today, May 1st, the UAE has officially exited OPEC. This is massive news. The UAE was the third largest producer in the group, and they're tired of being bottlenecked by Saudi production quotas. So what, Ab? Who cares? Like, well, they want to pump 5 million barrels a day by 2027. By leaving OPEC, they are choosing their own sovereignty over Saudi-led price control. So, like, who cares? Well, this makes OPEC structurally weaker. Long term, this means more supply and more competition, but in the short term, it creates massive uncertainty. And what doesn't the market like? There you go. You follow me? Talk to me, baby. Talk to me and I talk back. So then Iran-U.S. tensions, the Strait of Hormuz blockade. Now let's talk about why oil isn't crashing despite the UAE news. It's because of the geopolitical gravity in the Middle East. As of today, Sunday, May 3rd, the Strait of Hormuz is effectively closed. We just had reports of a bulk carrier being attacked by a small craft near Sarik, Iran. The U.S. and Iran have imposed competing blockades. Like it's crazy because, do you know, fun fact, 20% of the world's oil normally flows through that little small gap, and now it's a ghost town. That's not something small. That's really big. That's a like, hold on moment, right? Iran just put a 14-point proposal on the table, demanding the U.S. lift sanctions and end the Navy blockade within 30 days. President Trump is reviewing it, but he's already expressed doubt. We are in a wait-and-see window where one wrong move can gap us up or down $5. That's the type of market you're in. Now you following me. I bet you hit that like button now. Go ahead, press it. All right, now I got a Sunday pump warning for you. You're going to see Sunday London session try to pump the futures. Do not fall for it. The headlines are bearish on paper. UAE leaving, but the reality, so UAE is leaving, that's bearish, but the reality is bullish for volatility, right? The Hormuz is closing. That's not good. So then we talk about AI now, our build out, SLB. Wait, hold on, SLB? Well, everyone looks at SLB as an oil service company, but they've been in this with NVIDIA since like 2008, I believe. And now they just expanded their massive partnership with them again. They are now the modular design partner for NVIDIA DSX AI factories. SLB is using their 100 years of engineering experience to build the modular data centers off-site. They are reducing the bottleneck of labor and construction time, allowing AI companies to scale capacity faster than anyone else. Now, when you hold SLB leaps, talk to me, because I hold one. Do you hold one? Yeah, you should, because I hope you didn't get out yet. You're betting on the physical infrastructure of the AI revolution. Now listen, data centers for AI are projected to consume 6% of all U.S. electricity by the end of this year. Right? That is a lot. That's crazy. Tech giants are not a lot. That is a lot. Tech giants are realizing that the wind and solar aren't enough to run 24/7 high density compute. They need natural gas and reliable grid power. XLE, the energy, AI. Not really, but no, it's energy. We need energy for AI though. AI gives the broad exposure to the XLE gives the broad exposure to the companies providing the actual fuel for the AI fire, right? If the UAE exits OPEC and the Strait of Hormuz stays tight, the energy companies and XLE become the most valuable players on the board. Talk to me. This is a move for sovereignty. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because I have a stock for you that I want to give to you, but you have to wait. So just stay on. Just stay, don't exit if you want to hear about that stock, right? The UAE wants to pump 5 million barrels a day, and they don't want to wait for Saudi permission. Long term, that means more production, which is why SLB services is going to be in even higher demand. Then the Iran-U.S. Strait of Hormuz blockade, this is the volatility trigger. As of Sunday, like I said, May 3rd, the Strait is a ghost town, with the U.S. and Iran trading threats over the naval blockade. One sparked to send oil to $120, crushing the broader market. When it's going up, it's pressure on these equities, right? And now that you stayed with me, here's the stock for you, baby. CIFR. CIFR is the stock. And it isn't a Bitcoin miner anymore. It's CIFR Digital now. That's their name. They are rebranding as an AI infrastructure powerhouse, right? And I tell you, we was looking for power for our AI build out. If you don't know, check my post, go through them. So now they have, they are rebranding. They are taking their massive power grids and leasing them to giants. Not only do they have power, they have land. They have $9.3 billion in contracted revenue already. We're talking 15-year leases with Amazon and 10-year leases with Google. This is the rent on the AI revolution. Now, they report earnings on Tuesday, rising. Analysts expect the loss as they transition their business. Do not chase the pre-earnings hype. We are looking for that golden zone, $14.50 to $16.50 after the IV crush happens on Tuesday. But golden zone, what is the golden zone? Stay with me. Stay with me. I got you right now. The golden zone is the area between the 50% and the 61.80% retracement level. The golden zone often represents an important support level in which price stops its retracement to the downside and continues its trend to the upside. That's the gold. Yeah, I know, right? Let me show you. Hold on, I'm not just telling you. Let me show you. Look. We approaching 61.80%. You see that? Where we at now? Look at that. No coincidence. The 100-day right there. And look, the 100-day right to 50%. Look where my 200 is at. So that's telling me my fib is in the area it's supposed to be. My moving average is confirming that, right? Look at it, the trend line on the fib thing. Wow, price stop right at it. Amazing, right? So I'm not going to get too much into this because of earnings coming up on Tuesday, but Wednesday live on YouTube, tap in. We're going to talk about it. And then Friday, Zoom. Check the community tab on Thursday night, and I'll drop the Zoom link there for Friday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. And Wednesday, we go live on YouTube at 12:30 Eastern time. So now, what else I got for you? So again, it's CIFR, CIFR. So now let me ask you a question. Do you know what a mean reversion is? I'll wait. All right, well, since you don't want to say it, I'll tell you. A mean reversion is trading exhaustion. When price gets too far away from its home base, the mean, the middle, the risk to reward shifts. We are shorting here because the buyers are exhausted. What do you mean we're shorting here? I have a play for you. I have another play for you, right? I'm trying to feed y'all. So just imagine pulling the rubber band. When the rubber band pops, it has to pull back to the middle, right? Your 20-day moving average is your mean, your middle. Or it could be like a put wall or your call wall, depending on where you're at with that. So the reason why I'm telling you that is because we go here. This is our GX map. This is Insider Finance. I do not get money for showing you this, but I just like giving game and giving everything that I know. So we see we got a 725 call wall. If we don't clear this on Monday rising, I have a mean reversion short to the 716 area. IWM showed negative gamma. If we lose 278, the trap door opens at 275 or lower, right? So then we know at $720.35, price movement likely to be dampened. That's good for selling volatility. And then $725, that's price likely to gravitate towards the level. That's the magnet. Then we got support. Market dynamics change significantly if breached at $714.27. That's our support. We don't want to lose that. Volatility, expect increased volatility. Price falls below 700. And I'm going to show you. So we look at our table. And you can see, look, when you get up here, look at 750. Now we got 740, 735, 730. You break 730, good chance you come into that 750 area. And be careful, because I told people in the Discord, I didn't drop the post on them, but I will. I'm looking for the market to drop 20%. Yeah, I know. You're like, well, the market didn't drop 20%. I said it was gonna drop 20%. No, I still think it. Remember in December before Christmas, I said that the market won't just drop down. It's gonna be a slow bleed it's gonna make you quit, it's gonna make you tap out, it's gonna make you question yourself, it's gonna make you question your capabilities, it's gonna make you tap out, not say you don't want to be in the market no more. It's gonna make a lot of people really quit though. Right now, what is ripping right now, man, when it start going down, people are gonna quit. When we at 750, I'm looking to go almost completely. I'm looking to go completely in all cash. Besides our AI build out, I'm not touching that. So 710 is one I'm looking at. We lose 710, I might go completely all cash. Besides the AI build out, and 750 as well. Why is that? I gotta tell my family in the Discord first. I can't tell you first. I gotta tell my family then I come to my YouTube family. But and then Discord ain't gonna be open in a few weeks. In a few months, you should have been got up in there. If you knew, I got you. Let me tell them first, and I'll come back report to you. I'm coming. So only thing I can say is 1987, right? 1987, and we're almost at June, right? August might get nasty. So yeah, but I'll report back to y'all on that. The play, right? I got you right now. All right, so we got the SPY mean reversion, play A, rejecting $724.50 to $725. I'm looking for a Wednesday contract, May 6th at looking for the 720 puts, and then a stop at my stop loss would be a 15-minute close above $725.25. Again, I'm looking at the Wednesday, May 6th, 720 puts. A stop is a 15-minute close above $725.25. Entries rejecting $724.50 to $725, and then the target is $716. Then plan B, IWM. If it opened or break below $277.80, I'm looking at the May 6th $275 puts. Stops at $279.10. The target is $272. That's the big flush target. So yeah, look where we at. We rejected right at the 725 area on Friday. Like literally, I think off. Look at that. Then you got your shooting star now. And my fib matches up with the gamma levels as well. I got 734, and then I got like 757, I believe. So let's go to our 30-minute so we can get a closer look to see what price action was doing. I drew a trend line. Boom. Look what price is doing up here at that 725 area. Crazy isn't it crazy that our fib matching up with it? We're respecting this. We got to be careful, because price, if our 5-day starts rolling over, we can look for price to come down to that 715 area. Remember, we need to hold that area, $714.75, and then remember, below $714.27, not good, right? But if the 5-day keeps trending up, price could keep trending up as well, but has to be careful. As long as it holds that 720 area, we could very well see 735 and then 750. And other than that, I just want to leave you off with the highest human act is to inspire. Make sure you're serving others as well, because you want to serve God, but we are made from God, so we are a God, not the big God, but a smaller God, right? So we want to serve each other. That's why you get blessings when you serve others. You're submitting your will to God, basically, and you're doing other things. But you also got to be obedient. You got to pray and do all these other stuff. But we're not here for that in this video. But if you do want to know more, come to Wednesday Live. We do talk about God a lot on the Wednesday Live. This Discord, this Snipers communities, the Snipers Community Center and the Snipers headquarters, which is the Discord. Sniper Community Center is the YouTube. Different here. It's different. It's really different. So if you do want to learn more, just definitely tap in. And if you love this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll wait for you to like and subscribe before we get off here, because I'm not in the video until you get off. Like, you gotta like and subscribe. Make sure you drop a comment too. Drop some marathon flags, right? Because it's a marathon, it's not a race. Other than that, I'll leave you off with peace be upon you. And in Arabic, we say assalamu alaikum. Peace to the gods, peace to the goddesses, peace, love, light, and healing upon everybody watching.